Hi friends, so today I am going to teach you how to make a plant in a bag. And all you need is three things. You need a Ziploc bag, some cotton balls, and either some seeds or beans, okay? Alright, so the first thing that you are going to do is you are going to print this out, or you can make your own with paper and you can color it and decorate it. So I'm going to color mine right now, okay? Alright, I am all done coloring. After you are done coloring, you are going to cut it out. So remember, when we use scissors, we put 3 fingers in the big hole and your thumb in the bottom. And remember, we always point our thumb up, okay? So I'm gonna cut mine out. After you cut this out, then you can ask your mom or your dad to help you cut the middle part, okay? So once you're done cutting, there's gonna be a big hole in the middle. And then you are ready to do your planting. So you're gonna get your bag and you're gonna get your cotton ball right here, and you're gonna put some water on your cotton ball first, okay? So wet your cotton ball and then you're gonna put it in. I already wet mine, so I have some wet ones right here. So I'm gonna put my wet cotton balls in my bag like this. You can put 3 cotton balls in there, and then I'm gonna put my seeds in, okay? So I'm gonna put a bean in there. This is a lima bean. And then I'm gonna put a few other beans in there, okay? So I'm gonna just put a couple in my bag and make sure it's on your cotton ball like this, okay? After you put your seeds on top of your cotton ball, you're gonna zip it up, okay? Zip it up, and then you can tape this on, or you can ask your mom or your dad to staple it on. But make sure you staple it or tape it so that you can still see the seeds, okay? And it should look like this. And then after, you're gonna get some tape and you're gonna tape it to your window, okay? So that it can get some sunlight. Because remember, what do plants need? Plants need air, water, and sunlight. Okay, friends, I hope you have so much fun making your plant in a bag, and I can't wait to see what grows inside.